You looking for Jason?
How does a kitty go? How does a dog go? No, a dog go. Woof woof. How does a frog go? Ribbit. That's right. Yeah. How does a frog go? Ribbit. How does a bear go? Roar. Right. Um, how does the kitty cat go? How does the kitty cat go? Meow. Meow. Do it again. Say meow. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. What sound does a kitty cat make? Right. What sound does a dog make? Ruff, ruff. Right. What sound does a frog make? Ribbit. Ribbit. Hey, what sound? Mommy says you know how to make a duck sound. What sound? Quack quack. Quack 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 quack. That's right. You're so cute. Come give me kisses. Where's Sissy? Oh, she's over there. Hey, Haley.